This project is face mask enabled hand sanitizer. Here hardware connections are ESP32 cam and its baseboard. ESP32 cam placed on its baseboard. We can see here it has all digital pinouts and it has 5 volts DC supply connected to ESP32 cam. Here green LED and IR sensor connected to ESP32 cam digital I/O pins. Hand sanitizer pump controlled by L1030 HPG IC which is connected to ESP32 cam digital I/O pins. Before going to start this project, we have to create hotspot in our mobile, username IoT server and password IoT server 123, or we can change our Wi-Fi router username IoT server and password IoT server 123. Now we have to create hotspot in our mobile. You can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now power on this. Here we can know IP address of ESP32 cam through mobile app. Mobile app name is Network Scanner app which is available in Play Store. Now we have to open Network Scanner app. This app link will be provided in description. Initially we have to press this start button. Here we can see express if and it is showing vendor. Here it is showing IP address 192.168.0.111. We have to copy this IP address, paste in another browser. Here we got the streaming window. Now coming to the project output, here we have to show our face with or without mask in front of camera and activate this IR sensor. If mask detected, then sanitizer will dispense and that condition here green LED on. If face mask not detected, sanitizer will not dispense. Now we will see the output. Here we can see it is streaming. Here we have two conditions, with mask and without mask. Now we will see the first condition, without mask. Sanitizer will not dispense. And second condition is with mask. Green LED on, sanitizer dispensed. Again we will try one more. Sensor activated. Green LED on. Sanitizer dispense.